Hello and welcome to Coffee with Ulrik. We have found in practice that when a seller and agent involve the conveyancer early on in the process, it does avoid potential delays. Now, for example, we had a client that approached us for a transfer where the buyer had put an offer in, and then we established that the property wasn't in the client's name but in the name of their deceased spouse. Now that means that we had to report the estate and get the consent of the master, which causes major delays. If I had been involved early on in the process, I could have established this and could have managed expectations with the buyer and started the process. Another example is to establish if the property is bonded or not, and if it's not bonded, you have to find out where the title deed is. And sometimes the sellers don't know where their title deed is, or the title deed is lost, and then you have to apply for a lost copy. If I had been involved early on in the process, we could start that process of applying for the lost copy. And finally, from a personal point of view, I'm a tax practitioner, and I find it very helpful if I'm involved early on in the process to advise the sellers about their capital gains tax liability so they can determine what their proceeds are and have a understanding of what they can expect. So please do in future involve the attorney early on to avoid potential delays. If you found this video helpful, please like and forward to your clients. Thank you very much.